I no longer do thanks to eco-minimalism, sustainability, zero waste, or whatever else you want to call it. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel that aims to bring you everything from minimalism, sustainability, self-care, and self-development. Although returning an item may not cost you anything, this is something that has a large carbon footprint and environmental impact and costs organizations quite a bit. When consumers return an item of clothing, they think that this item will be shipped back to a warehouse, processed and then resold, but its carbon footprint increases as it's put through a reverse supply chain and is transported back to the warehouse and possibly to the landfill. That may be less so than more sustainable brands, but this to me is completely mind-blowing. Why there's not more producer responsibility is just beyond me. Sustainability is so much more than the final product and packaging it comes in. There's a whole supply chain to consider before that product even gets to you. Extraction of resources then consumed, production, transportation, and then of course the pollution created by all of this. This then ultimately impacting the climate crisis even more. It's so much more nuanced and not as black and white as we think it to be. Tissue, serviettes, sandwich bags, aluminium foil, wax paper, cling wrap, paper plates, paper cups, straws, chopsticks, single-use cutlery, bottled water, and so much more that I no longer purchase or use. Most of the time, because these items are cheap and sometimes free, we run to them as a matter of convenience. We don't even think twice about using them. And then once time to dispose of it and the garbage truck does its weekly rounds to pick up your trash, it is out of sight and out of mind, when actually there's a whole broken system behind refuse collection and the processing thereof. So let's stop creating demand for unnecessary items. Let's be more conscious of our purchases. Always ask yourself, do I really need this item? So that's wonderful, you've made it in life and now you can afford whatever you want to. But I urge you to try thinking about your consumption and purchasing decisions in this order. Refuse, rethink, reduce, reuse, repair, and recycle. My heart bleeds when I see how easy it is for people to throw things away without second thought. It is honestly not about whether you can afford it or not, but rather the amount of resources consumed to create the item and how it is disposed of, and the damage to the environment caused by both. If you have an item that is seemingly broken or has lost its new feel appeal, try repairing it, donating it, or upcycling it, but trashing it should be the last option. Ever heard of kintsugi? Japan's ancient art of embracing imperfection where broken items are mended. This centuries-old art is more than just an aesthetic. For the Japanese, it's part of a broader philosophy of embracing the beauty of flaws. In an age of mass production and quick disposal, learning to accept and celebrate scars and flaws is a powerful lesson in humanity and sustainability. These videos may be weird and crazy for some, but give it some thought. Physical clutter can often lead to mental clutter, so consider your mental well-being if nothing else. Hope this video brought some new insights into your life, and I do hope you'll be rethinking your next purchase. Until next time, be the change you want to see.